Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix download failed issues on WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to download something, an image, a video, or anything that someone has sent to you on WhatsApp, but you receive a download failed error, then there are a few things that you can try to resolve this issue. The first thing to do is to see whether your Wi-Fi or data connection is working as intended. Just open up any other application that uses the internet and then see whether they are facing issues or not. If the other application is working as it should, then this means your internet connection is not to blame. So the next thing to check is for access. Open up your phone settings and then tap on Applications. From the Applications page, scroll down until you see WhatsApp and then tap on it to open it up. Now from the WhatsApp application settings page, tap on Permissions. And now if you don't see the photos and videos option underneath allowed, then it will be under not allowed. You can simply tap on it and then choose the first option to allow access for the application. Choose the allow option and then do the same for music and audio as well. Now once you do this, go back to the application and check once again and your download should succeed. If it still doesn't work, then you can try one last thing. Go back to the WhatsApp application settings and then scroll down and tap on Storage. From here, tap on Clear Data and then tap on the Delete button. And now you will need to log into your account once again, but now your download will all work just as intended. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix download failed issues on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.